What if your newest coworker never sleeps, never asks for a raise, learns faster than any human, and can manage entire workflows on its own? This is the reality behind the rise of autonomous AI employees in modern companies. Unlike traditional automation tools that handle only repetitive tasks, autonomous AI employees are designed to take ownership of outcomes, not just actions. They plan objectives, make decisions, execute tasks, and evaluate results without constant human supervision. These AI workers can run customer support, manage sales pipelines, analyze market trends, generate reports, write code, monitor systems, and coordinate with other AI agents in real time. Across businesses in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, companies are deploying AI employees to boost productivity, reduce costs, and operate at machine speed in an increasingly competitive environment. These systems use large language models, memory, tool access, and reinforcement learning to adapt continuously, improving performance with every interaction. They don't just follow rules, they learn company policies, brand tone, and strategic priorities, aligning themselves with organizational goals. However, the rise of AI employees also raises serious questions about job displacement, accountability, transparency, and workplace ethics. Rather than eliminating humans, most organizations are restructuring roles, shifting people toward oversight, creativity, relationship building, and decision-making, while AI handles execution and optimization. New roles, such as AI supervisors, workflow architects, and ethics officers, are emerging to manage these digital workers responsibly. Over the next decade, companies will operate as hybrid organizations where humans and AI employees collaborate as peers, redefining productivity, leadership, and what it truly means to be part of the workforce.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching and stay tuned. Bye-bye.